my words out today. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, it's very sunny all of a sudden. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Sophia. So today has been a requested video in the past, and for some reason it's been on my list and I've never got around to it. So I had a little bit of time today. I filmed this month's Patreon video for my Patreons doing free motion embroidery. So come over and join us if you want to do some creative free motion embroidery with some ideas and prompts every month. It's really fun and really creative, and I think you should join us even if you've never done it before. Come join us, it's a lot of fun. So today I'm going to show you how to use a rolled hem foot. So if you didn't know, this is a rolled hem foot. You can see it's got the rolled sort of like cone shape here. As it goes through the machine, you're feeding it into that cone shape and it rolls the fabric and then top stitches it down, so that it's basically doing all the rolled hem for you. Now if you want to check what size rolled hem you have, if you flip it over, that groove there, can you see that there's like a little groove there? That width is the size of the rolled hem that you will create. So if I measure this one, so this one is a 3mm rolled hem. So if I show you it on the finished product, this is what it looks like when it's done. You can see that it's really thin, really narrow, really neat from both sides. I just absolutely love rolled hems. I think they look so polished and so finished, and a rolled hem foot is particularly useful if you've got sort of like fine floaty fabrics where you want to get that nice neat edge, but it's super fiddly to sort of roll it and press it and do it yourself. So especially in lightweight fabrics that don't need like a big chunky hem, or it looks really strange with a big chunky hem, a rolled hem foot will be your saving grace. So I just thought we'd go over the basics of how to use one. I've seen a lot of people do these videos, so I'm sorry if you've seen it all before, but as it was a requested video, I'm going to do it and just show you how simple it is. It will always be a little bit fiddly to get it started, but hopefully the tips that I show you, once you've done it a few times, it'll be so much easier. Okay, so I've got my rolled hem foot here, and I've just got some fabric underneath. I'm using a lightweight cotton, not that it matters, but essentially to start off with, what you need is a little anchor or a handle to hold on to when you start your rolled hem. So all I'm going to do is sew a little bit of a line, just maybe 3 stitches forwards, 3 stitches back. Okay, that was 4. But lift your needle up, foot up, and slide that out to the side, and then you've got these 2, and I mean my machine's got a little bit extra to hold on to as you're sewing, and that will mean that you've got something to hold on to just to get it started, and that's really important because it's a little bit fiddly. So now we're going to put our fabric underneath, rolled hem foot down, and essentially what you want to do is wiggle that fabric, use that handle at the back to hold on to, now that's in a loop, and you just want to wiggle the fabric in that groove. So this is out, this is in. Can you see it sort of sliding in it? You can see it popping through here. So you just want to slide it into there and roll it towards this edge. And what you want to do is try and get this fabric in front of the foot to stay a similar width all the way down. So how I do mine is I pop it in like that, and I try and make sure that where this bit here is, that groove of the opening of the rolled hem bit, I try and keep my fabric to that width as I'm going along. So I'm just gently folding it all the way down as it gets closer to roughly that width. And then once you've got it started, you can just hold the anchor threads again, start sewing forwards, and once it's on the fabric you can let go of those anchor threads, and you just need to make sure that this fabric in front, you're sort of folding towards that edge there, so that I'm just keeping this nice and flat and even all the way down, making sure I'm folding, make sure it's nice and even, not too much fabric going in. And then you've got a beautiful tiny rolled hem all the way down. And it's as simple as that. Okay, so I'm just going to do that one more time just to go over it. So we're going to do a few stitches forwards, a few stitches back on the very edge of the fabric. Needle up, don't cut your threads. Pull it out to the side so you've got something to hold on to. Put it back underneath your foot. Pop my foot down, and I'm gonna put the fabric in that little groove, and I just want to make sure that I'm folding that fabric to the width of this here. Get the machine started so that it's caught in the machine, and then you can just fold and sew. It's as simple as that. Okay, so there you have it. I hope that was simple enough and clear enough. And if you've never used one before, or you've had one in your accessories and you've just been too scared to try it, I hope this video has made you want to try it. Just get some lightweight scrap fabric and just have a go. It's always better to just practice, especially if you're a little bit less confident on something. The more you do it, the easier and the more second nature it becomes. And then once you've got that project that pops up and you're like, oh, this will be a great way of using my rolled hem foot, then you'll have enough practice to go, I'm going to do that. So yeah, make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. Comment below if you have any questions for me, and I will see you next week for another video. Happy handmade, everyone.